Hi everyone, and welcome back to DripWorks. Today we're taking a closer look at a handy and versatile item from our popular GardenBee product line, the GardenBee Tote Bag. The GardenBee Tote Bag is a durable waxed canvas bag that's perfect for carrying all your gardening essentials. It's made from a high quality material that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, and it's spacious enough to hold everything needed for a successful gardening session. It has plenty of room for all your gardening essentials, from tools and gloves to seeds and pots. It has an optimal size at 12 inches tall with 8 exterior tool pockets to keep tools organized and accessible. This bag features comfortable shoulder strap handles for easy carrying. It also comes with a fully lined main compartment, which makes it perfect for not only gardening, but also for storing and organizing things around your home. GardenBee Tote Bag is a great way to keep your gardening tools and supplies organized and within reach. Simply toss in your trowel, pruners, gloves, seeds, and any other items for your gardening project. The bag's spacious design makes it easy to find what you're looking for, and the comfortable shoulder straps make it easy to carry around the garden. The GardenBee Tote Bag is a must-have for any gardener. It's a convenient and stylish way to carry all your gardening essentials. Order your GardenBee Tote Bag at dripworks.com. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a closer look at the GardenBee Tote Bag. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Goodbye.